Did you know that when you are breathing, you're actually inhaling elements? The air you breathe is made up of many elements like oxygen, nitrogen, and argon. Elements are everywhere and elements are everything. Your eyes, your surroundings, and even your friend. Elements are the building blocks of everything on Earth. In this lesson, we will discuss about different elements, their uses and importance, and their appreciation and differentiation of the application of different elements. But first, let's define and understand what is an element. An element is a pure substance that is made from a single type of atom. They are the building blocks for all the rest of the matter in the world. Elements combine in countless ways, creating the millions of materials that fill our universe. They combine to form chemical compounds, just like the letters of the alphabet can be combined to form words. Over 118 have been discovered, but only 94 of these are thought to naturally exist on Earth. So now, let's discuss those different elements.
Hydrogen. It is the most abundant chemical substance in the universe, constituting roughly 75% of all baryonic mass, present in rocket fuels, welding, and production of hydrochloric acid. In hydrogen peroxide is a mild antiseptic used on the skin to prevent infection of minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. It may also be used as a mouth rinse to help remove mucus or to relieve minor mouth irritation. In industry, hydrogen is widely used to create chemical products. A huge amount of it can be used as rocket fuels in combination of oxygen.
Helium. Helium is commercially recovered from natural gas deposits. Helium is used as an inert shield for arc welding to pressurize the fuel tanks of liquid-fueled rockets and in supersonic wind tunnels. The most known use of helium to make all-type balloons float. In household, one of its uses in household is refrigeration, for its cooling properties because of its boiling point being close to absolute zero. In industry, helium is widely utilized throughout the aerospace and aircraft industry. In space flight operations, helium is used to purge hydrogen systems and work as a pressurizing agent for ground and flight fluid systems.
Oxygen. The air humans and animals breathe, the one that plants discharge. It is the most abundant element in the human body, making up around 65% of the body's mass. In household, obviously, oxygen is useful as our body needs it to stay alive. Not just in respiration, oxygen can also be used to produce clean water. In industry, widely used to provide oxygen tanks in hospitals. Also as a life support used by astronauts and scuba divers to breathe in certain areas where humans cannot.
Calcium is an important element that helps your bones stay strong and able to support your weight. Your nervous system also uses calcium to help transmit impulses throughout your body. Chalk, marble, and limestone are all forms of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is used to make white paint, cleaning powder, toothpaste, and stomach antacids, among other things. Calcium may be used as a reducing agent in the process of metal extraction. It can be used in the production of some metals as an alloying agent to make cement and mortar, and also in the glass industry.
Lead. Lead is soft and malleable and also has a relatively low melting point. When freshly cut, lead is silvery with a hint of blue. It tarnishes to a dull gray color when exposed to air. In household, lead and lead compounds have been used in a wide variety of products found in and around our homes, including paint, ceramics, pipes and plumbing materials, solders, gasoline, batteries, ammunition, and cosmetics. In industry, lead is widely used in batteries, cable sheets, machinery manufacturing, shipbuilding, light industry, lead oxide, radiation protection, and other industries.
Sulfur. Elemental sulfur can be found in a number of areas on Earth, including volcanic emissions, hot springs, salt domes, and hydrothermal vents. In household, most sulfur is used in the production of sulfuric acid, a colorless, odorless, and zero-P liquid that is soluble in water, which is perhaps the most important chemical manufactured by Western civilizations. In industry, sulfur is used in the vulcanization of black rubber, a fungicide, and in black gunpowder.
Chlorine, the second lightest of the halogens. It appears between fluorine and bromine in the periodic table, and its properties are mostly intermediate between them. Chlorine is a yellow-green gas at room temperature. In household, it is used to disinfect water and is part of the sanitation process for sewage and industrial waste. During the production of proper and cloth, chlorine is used as a bleaching agent. In industry, large amount of chlorine are used in many industrial processes, such as in the production of paper products, plastics, dyes, textiles, medicines, antiseptics, insecticides, solvents, and paints.